A CIO called us last week and said, "I want AI in our Power BI. Where do I start?" Most consultants give the same answer. Just turn on Copilot. That's the wrong answer. Because one AI model means one point of failure. When that model gives you the wrong number, your executive team makes the wrong decision. EPC Group built something different. A multi-AI architecture inside Power BI, where multiple AI models work together, cross-checking every answer before it reaches your dashboard. Ask a question. Why is revenue down? Which customers are at risk? What happens next quarter? Answers appear instantly, validated across models. No hallucinated numbers. No single point of failure. No guessing. 1,500 plus Power BI implementations. 700 plus AI solutions. This is what AI looks like when it actually works. See it live. Book a multi-AI Power BI demo. Contact at epcgroup.net. 888-381-9725. epcgroup.net.